in that similar period, I played with some kids who were left. Kids were all bigger, 8, 9, 10, and we would play. As I remember, there were a lot of kind of holes in the ground, and there was tin that was put over, and people sometimes would hide there too, and you could sometimes hear the Germans' footsteps above. But in the daytime, I remember playing in one of those holes with a few kids, and we'd sit there for a long time, and they would talk about what foods are you going to have? What are you going to have when you leave the ghetto, when you get out finally? What are you going to eat? And this went on for a while, and everybody's hungry, and they're talking about that. And I don't know what I had to participate, because I didn't have memories of any good foods that I had before I moved into the ghetto, and there wasn't that much. But that was one game. At least I sat with the older kids, and then whatever was left, they would rip off buttons off of clothing and play with buttons. Like, you can make up all kinds of games with what you have. So it was like on the idea of marbles, but buttons.